Traveling full-time sounds amazing, but without the system, it becomes chaos fast. Here's exactly how I manage my trips, track income, and keep projects moving while living as a digital nomad. Travel chaos, scattered in income tracking, so I actually don't know how much money I have, half-finished projects, and the most important stuff for me, annoying alerts. So I need to see when the next travel will be for me, on which date, without having any alerts or reminders. So I'm gonna show you how I manage my things, which helps me so much. So I was thinking where I should make my own system to keep me organized, and I stopped on Notion, because Notion, that's actually pretty much versatile thing. It works cross-platform on every device. I can run it on my Mac Mini, on my phone, on my Steam Deck, wherever I like, which is super convenient for me. So my main goal is to make one system without alerts, without to-do lists or other stuff. I wanted to make one place where I will go, see my progress, be motivated, almost without manual typing. So let me show you guys what I actually do to keep things organized. So on my main page, I have all highlights, information I need, and clean, of course. So in the first section, I got upcoming trips. So in the 5 days, I will have a trip to Hong Kong, and I see the status upcoming. And also in 30 days will be a new trip to Bangkok for about 2 months, as you can see. And in 29 days left. So I always see how many days left and where I actually go. For more additional info, I can open my trip, see the budget, for example, duration, how many days will be, and the status. Clean and simple. On the right side, I have upcoming subscription, which will be happen in the next 7 days. So not all of it shows right here. And I also have how many countries I have visited. So right now I'm visited 21 countries, not including Hong Kong. That's gonna be my 22nd country. Let's scroll down. Here's active projects I'm currently working right now. Yeah, I'm writing the book. Maybe when I finish it, guys, I'll tell you more about it. Open my project and I can see progress status right here, which depends how many tasks is completed. So for example, if I will complete all of them, progress will be 100% and the status can be completed. So all is automatic. I don't need to do anything, which is super convenient for me. Let's go down and here's my income progression. That's not a correct data, just like demo or something like that. And as you can see, on the left side, I have a simple chart. On the right side, I have more detailed information about earnings in this month. And also on the bottom, I have additional things. How many has left until month ends? And as you can see, 3.6% left until the month ends, because that's the last day of the month of the February. So what I have next, I have a travel page all related to my travels, and that's actually a pretty interesting part. So here I have, again, my trip details, but now I can sort upcoming trips, all trips I have or will have. On the right side, I have how many countries I visited again, and as additional info, how many cities I have visited as well. So as you can see, 38 total visited cities. So if we would go down, you will see that I have all my visited countries right now. I also have some review section, pretty convenient to see which country I like the most, which cities I have visited right here, as you can see, Jeju Island, and review. On the next category, I have a map showing all locations I have been to, as you can see, pretty convenient, and all countries. Let's go down. Here I have all visited city, grouping by the country, as you can see, but to make them check as visited, I have to just add them to a country. It happens automatically. All right, let's go next. Next is finances page. So I have an income table, which represent all info I have. For example, current months, monthly revenue, and early revenue, as you can see, pretty convenient. The next is savings. So now I finally can track all my savings I have. For example, I can see total savings or sort them by category. And also subscriptions. That's actually a pretty interesting section because it calculates automatically when the next payment will be, like this, for example. Total spend, how many you have spent on that. And also you will see total cost of all subscriptions per month and total cost you already have spent. And I just realized that I have spent on all subscription for this year around $1,000, which is a lot. In the next 7 days, I have Netflix subscription, which has to be paid. Pretty clean, but I created the place where I actually actually can wanna go and see my progress. I am motivated to visit this page every time. So I have one dashboard which represents every info I need without trying to search it, without overwhelming information. I have visual clarity, so it's clean, you understand everything. And this thing actually helped me to stay organized, track my progress, which will be motivating me in the future. If you don't want to build this from scratch, I made the exact system available. Link will be in description.